Mr. Martin.
Yes, Mrs. Martin.
State going to the opera.
Yes.
What do you think?
It's going to rain.
Yeah, it will rain. But leading up to the rain, there will be heaps of humidity. But I think we should just wander around the quay.
Yeah, have a look.
See how it goes. Yeah.
Not much.
So, are you looking forward to seeing Figaro?
Yeah, we'll see how we go.
We'll see how we go.
I thought we were going to see the Barber of
Barber of.
Yes.
His name's Figaro.
Okay. So Figaro that one out.
Figaro the Barber. Alright.
That's all I got.
So this is our trip to the opera, and obviously this is going to be the start of a very long night.
True.
These are the SailGP competitors. They're just passing Barangaroo now. They're all drunk. What do you do with a drunken sailor? Okay, so these are the competitors. Well, some of them maybe. So the SailGP has 2 cruises at the moment. New boats there, just hanging around the Maritime Museum, and then it's called a Glass Island. There we go. So the SailGP must be this week because there they all are. About to leave. This is the ferry service on busy day on the harbour. a bit. Yeah, I'm not sure about the smell, but there's the bridge, and we are going underneath the bridge. There we go. And the cruise ship is there. Performer there, just outside the MCA. He's probably on one of those motorcycles and is juggling fire. So, can you see closer? He's trying to rear the crowd. Street performer. Well, this is weird. So we are at the concourse and they're showing the Traviata, and that's for 2 months. So here is the Barber of Seville at the Opera House concourse. So yes, this is a rolling ad. I've been waiting for it, but look, it's quite nice. Hello, little seagull. No, go away. Everything's buzzing. Feral. It's amazing how that cruise ship just off the ferries there. It's massive. What do you think, Mr. Martin? 3 escalators the way to go. All right.
What would you like to know?
Well, Mr. Martin, thank you for the cheese and the wine. This is Cab Sab, block 50 from the Central Ranges. 250 mils, so I think that was $19. And the cheese platter is $19 as well.
For $19.
Well, it is the Opera House. But look, we've got nice views here.
Yeah,
So,
the Navy warships?
no cocktails at the Opera House bar, I've already asked. But here we go. Here's the view towards the gardens. There we go. So I'm very proud of showing off my Radley here for the Barber of Seville performance. I don't know what's in it, but it's a strong smell. I think it's to do with the blue cheese. So 3 different types of cheeses, the dried fruits here, and the grapes.
What about apple?
Yeah, I think so. It looks like apple to me.
Apple rings and other things.
Yeah, so
Dodgy cheese.
so $19.
More dodgy cheese.
Okay, Mr. Martin, before we finish the cheese off, give me your tasting notes, because you actually enjoyed the blue.
The blue is actually quite nice.
Very mouldy.
Very
Gosh.
salty.
Salty. Can't taste the
I
salt.
can very salty.
Oh, it's like pong.
But I'm trying to work out
mold.
if it's goat or cow.
Must be cow though. Goat is stronger.
I don't know. It's. I mean, almost becoming a little bit sheep.
You know,
'cause
you're not really a blue cheese
No.
eater. I'm surprised they actually liked it.
It was actually
even
quite
though it smells of mothballs. Now we had, it must have been the brie or something. What did you think of the brie?
The brie was
softer
actually
cheese.
quite nice.
But the
It had a
cheddar?
very smooth texture.
And the cheddar?
Oh, that was gorgeous.
Yeah.
Can't go past the cheddar.
Yeah, the cheddar's always nice here.
The cheddar was always good.
The quince paste wasn't too bad.
Pear, I had a pear slice. That was nice.
That was nice.
That would have been good cutting through. Maybe the cheese.
Yeah, the prune was nice. I didn't mind the prune, but I think the revelation was the wine.
Oh, the wine is
The
cracker.
wine was excellent. See,
wine is
Mr. Martin's
gorgeous.
about to get drunk. So anyway, Cab Sav, very smooth.
It actually goes well with the cheeses. It's a
and-
really nice pick.
And for those who are budget conscious, cheapest red wine on the menu here at the Opera Bar. So it's pretty good.
So it was under $40 for the 2 wines. So.
Yeah. Okay, this is a Joan Sutherland painting.
It is.
So Mr. Martin is a bit sloshed. He had
Very nice alcohol.
half a litre of the Block 50 Cab Sav.
It's good stuff.
So he's definitely lubricated to watch Figaro. And I thought I was the one who was going to get drunk. And no, instead it was Mr. Martin.
The cheap drink.
Yes. All right. Ooh, this is the Loge. Anyway,
Anyway, this is us walking up the stairs.
walking up the stairs to
While
watch Figaro.
staggering up the stairs.
So, a night at the opera for Mr. Martin.
Yes, my first night, believe it or not.
Yes, and there's another bar at the northern end. And let's see if Mr. Martin can disgrace himself again.
It's all good.
So, the Joan Sutherland Theatre doesn't have the views,
Check this
but
out.
you
We
can
are
see
slowly-
some of the views from here.
Yeah.
That's really lovely, isn't it?
Or not as good as that wine.
You're at the northern end?
They actually do look after the paintings, because if you actually have a look at the curtains at night, they must draw it to stop the sun.
Well, that is true because it's the northern light. You don't want it to fade.
And if you look behind you, it's got a cracking view.
So this is a possum drumming by Michael Nelson Thakamarra. So you could actually see the possum tracks here. See, here are the possum tracks. Those are the tracks of the dreaming. And then
But I'm rather interested in the actual sponsor.
Cadbury Schweppes. I don't think they're so well anymore. But I thought it was like livid possum, but it's not. But it's Michael Nelson Thakamarra. So it's nice to see this painting.
The actual aerial views, if you actually look from the top, most of what I can understand about Aboriginal light is it's actually a top view.
It is
Not
topographical. So, you know, that's a journey. That could be a waterhole, and you
These
know,
could be like meeting places.
yeah, those are meeting places where they sit around and have a chat and
And
stuff.
discuss life.
Yeah, I like it. And these are the views from the northern end of the Joan Sutherland Theatre. There's the bridge there. Gotta love it.
Get away from them.
Anyway, these are the views. So what do you think of the
The
views?
view is actually quite nice.
I mean, it would have been better had it been a clear day, but this is quite nice. All right. Now, do you want to head back?
Let me just write the names.
Okay, there's the fast ferry. And there's one of the inner harbour ferries. Hey, I wonder if the seal is down there.
It's the man we found.
So I suppose this is one of the first times I've noticed this skeleton, really, of the front facade. See how it is? It's just magnificent. It's lovely.